Hi everyone, it's Tom from Groundworks Education Team again. So as I mentioned, Dig for Victory was a really important campaign during World War II that saw people across the country turning their gardens into allotments to grow vegetables to feed themselves. It wasn't just gardens, parks and other public spaces were converted into growing areas as well. In fact, everywhere that could was turned into somewhere to grow vegetables. Today we are going to look at how to grow peas. Now we're going to start off by making our own very simple plant pot to get the peas started. So we start with a toilet roll tube and just make a small cut about 2 to 3 centimeters up from the bottom in 4 places around the edge of the toilet roll tube. We can now simply fold these edges in tuck the last one carefully back underneath the first one so that it seals itself in. Next up, that's made a small plant pot. So now we can fill that with compost. There we go. So now we've got our plant pot with some compost in, we can take a pea seed. They're just small dried out peas basically. So we take 1 pea seed and put it into the middle of the plant pot and cover it up with about another centimetre of soil. Gently press that down and then we need to give that the best growing conditions possible. Plants need water, sunlight, air and soil. So put it on a windowsill and give it some water. In 2 to 3 weeks you will have a small plant, small pea plant. Now that's grown towards the sunlight and this is now ready to plant. Now you can plant peas in the ground and they will grow up canes or something like that. That's the most common way of growing plants. But if you're short of space, you can actually grow peas in a hanging basket. So with these plant pots that are made from cardboard toilet roll tubes, simply put them on top of a little bit of soil and then fill the rest of the space with compost. As the roots grow, the cardboard will gradually rot away, leaving just the seeds, just the peas, growing nice and strong in this hanging basket. So I filled the hanging basket so that the young pea plants are hanging over the edge, and I can now hang that somewhere where they'll get lots of sunshine and they will grow down and the peas will grow on there later on in the summer. So you don't need much space at all to be able to grow some vegetables yourself. We've got one more Dig for Victory video coming later today.